In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ClickUp API effectively. We'll walk through everything you need to know to set up and start using ClickUp's API to enhance your workflow. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you get it right. So, let's dive in. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your ClickUp settings. This is your control center for all account-related configurations, and accessing it is simple. Once you're logged into your ClickUp account, look for your profile icon, usually located in the lower left corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this will reveal a menu with various options, and you'll need to select Settings. This is where we will configure everything related to API usage. Once you're in your settings, locate the area labeled Apps. This is a crucial section for anyone looking to integrate or automate processes using ClickUp. The Apps section is designed to manage external applications and integrations, allowing you a seamless experience in connecting ClickUp with other tools you rely on. Here you'll find the option to generate your personal API token. This token is vital as it acts like a password for API calls, giving necessary permissions to your applications to interact with your ClickUp data. Now, let's focus on generating your personal token. You will notice a button or link that allows you to create a new token. When you click on it, ClickUp will automatically generate your personal token, which usually begins with PK. Make sure to store this token securely, as it's sensitive information and directly linked to your ClickUp account's permissions. Treat it like a password. Only use it in secure, trusted environments to prevent unauthorized access. With your token generated, the next step is to include it in your HTTP requests. Here's how to do it. Whenever you're making an API call, you need to include this token as part of the request header. Specifically, you'll use it for authentication purposes, essentially telling ClickUp that the application making the request has permission to access your data. To do this, you would add a line in your HTTP request that might look something like this. Authorization, your personal token. Remember to replace your personal token with the actual token value you generated earlier. By doing this, you ensure that your API requests are authorized and can access the data and functionalities you've set up for them. It's a simple step, but crucial for maintaining a secure connection between ClickUp and any external applications you're using. That's it. By following these steps, you've set up your ClickUp API and can now start automating tasks and integrating systems to streamline your workflow. Always remember to manage your token with care to keep your information secure. If you ever need to reset or regenerate your token, you can return to the Apps section in your settings. Thanks for joining today, and happy ClickUpping!